Yeah, what I go on my people, me there, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. And my people, you see, sometimes social media sometimes amazes me. Or should I say people, or some people who use social media sometimes amazes me. So I say, now my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person removing some items from his pants pockets. And based on how the video had been posted on social media, and according to certain words that had been said in the video, and I'm not going to jump to the conclusion, but I got the understanding that the man had been accused of trying to take those items with him in a wrong way. And at some point, the man was asked to remove those items from his pants pockets. So I'm going to present the video to you, and then I'm going to read some comments that I saw on social media about the video and the situation. And I hope you might understand why I think that sometimes social media, or some people who use social media, amazes me. Anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people.
Don't forget the chocolate in the back pocket. Chocolate.
Watch everything, huh?
Taking out everything.
Yeah, everything to take out.
Everything I'm taking out.
Yeah.
Everything.
God. Let's pull out now, man.
Go ahead, take your time now.
Let's pull out.
Take it out everything.
All of them
Yeah, wow.
And the cheese. Chocolate, the cheese. Don't forget in that pocket. Just now, I know organizing here.
So I go on this for people. So I go on the things them. So my people, when I look on that video there, I feel certain ways. You see me I say? Because that's a big man, certain ways. You see me I say? Alright. I just feel certain ways when I look at the video. But look at how my people say. Let me read some comments when I say on a post that contains the same video on social media, my people. See? So listen to some of them words, you know. So one of the comments them when I say basically say, well, let me spell the part ALYA should have never post up man that's food items. Alright? Another comment said those pants named cargo for a reason. Another comment from someone said, I'm not mad with him. The government of Trinidad and Tobago to blame. Alright, so I'm going to read another comment. Another comment from someone said, gosh, I have a heart for the man. Clearly, he's under pressure and need food and hygiene products. I wish I was there to assist him. Another comment from someone said, those without sin cast the first stones. Never judge because with the way things going, we all might have to resort to, and you see me, as when we say, THISONE day. You see me, I said, but people, there are more comments in the comment section of the video that have me thinking. You see me, I said, I make it very clear that I do not support no form of stealing and nothing to do with any form of crime and violence. I don't support no form of crime and violence. So me as a subscribers, but some comments from me see on social media about the video or about the situation that I can see in the video gave me the understanding that quite a number of people in the comment section, how would I put it now, either would I say feel sorry for the man, or it's like them have some form of soft heart for the man. I'm wondering if it's because the man is of certain age or how the man look or what. You see me, I say, so the video, you know, and the situation I've been thinking, and the comments that I've been thinking, and you know, the comments that make me I say to myself, say, John, no, social media sometimes amazes me. Because when I think many people on social media might be saying one thing, no, it's a different thing, a cycle. Let me know what you think about a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? There are many more comments there. You understand? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show smoke coming from a motor vehicle that has Beryllium mark on it, viewers and subscribers. So I got the understanding that the video shows smoke coming from a motor vehicle that belongs to a company, or what some people call Beryllium Limited. You see me as a viewers and subscribers? No, I don't have any information as to what caused the smoke to come from that motor vehicle. It's not like I'm a fully licensed electrician or a licensed mechanic. You see me? I say, plus me never did it. See, but the video or the situation make me start to wonder certain things, because from the year start, me hear about certain situations pertaining to Beryllium Company or Beryllium Limited, pertaining to security guards and even motor vehicles. So me as a viewers and subscribers. So I'm gonna present this video to you, make you take a look at it. You can let me know what you think, and I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video will be recorded, but the video had been recorded in Jamaica. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. So see how people smoke coming from the motor vehicle. Look at it.
Yeah.
What me see this out there?
That's chuck the fire.
Hold on. What did me see right there?
But they come over the hill, master.
I'm point out something to the people. Something I think me see.
But will you take out the wealth?
Take out the body.
Alright, when it comes on to a situation like that, I better them let it go professionals. You see what I say? I don't know if they're professional, but I don't go. So only professionals do this, because that's one dangerous situation.
Yeah, they can't solve it solo.
What them let me ask you what this is? Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, some people, sometimes I wonder if Beryllium want to wash off. Yeah, so I say, yeah, sometimes I wonder so. But what I my people, I see something, yeah, so when I look up on the part of video I test with my people, tell me what you see, yeah, some people. Look right over there, so where they over the fence side or pan a compound. Now what them I look on? What kind of sign that me I see there, so? Me never see it so clear. What kind of sign? May I tell you this, my people? If me say a motor vehicle, where smoke come from the motor vehicle like that, me I call a professional. You see? Yeah, me I call a professional. Let me know what you think about a situation like that, my people. So me I say, now I'm going to leave a type of video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I'm going to say a type of video because a part of the video shows some type of bright light. I don't know if the video had been joined or what, you understand me? So yes, I'm going to leave this type of video with you, or I'm going to leave the video with your viewers and subscribers. So may I say, and this video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. This video is going to show when a person had been placed inside of a police service motor vehicle or a police motor vehicle by police from within the country of Guyana. The video also shows when police officers lift and placed a motorcycle at the back of a police motor vehicle from within the country of Guyana, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information as to what caused a situation like that, but the situation is being talked about on social media. So I'm going to leave this type of video with you, my viewers and subscribers. You can take a look at it, tell me what you think about the situation, and please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in the video, so viewer discretion is advised. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Manners, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright? Alright, take notice right there, some people you can see where, you know, a person was being held a certain type of way right there. So I say, look over the next, you see, look, just look where I go on. It looked like the person had been injured too. Look how the person had a step.
Come true, you good. Phone got it? What story in Guyana?
It's a flash there. Yeah.
Today in Guyana.
Close the door.
Alright, so look what one has to know people.
Sun hot outside. Check-ups today in Guyana.
Me I don't walk but not from
Right Thursday morning.
fuck me I shoot the hour.
Fuck up. Well, see that you know what that means.
Alright, time to beat out. Show's over. Everybody out the pool.
Big up and respect.